I am going to show you how to make a short or long video that goes viral like this one from a girl in our program. Her 7th video hit over 4 million views and 13,000 subscribers. Let's get started. First, go to TikTok or YouTube and find the 3 to 5 videos you like and download them for free like this. Our program comes with all of these AI tools and downloaders to help you get everything done quicker with no upcharges. Do this with as many videos as you want to edit with CapCut or whatever editor you want to use. Usually you want no less than 3 videos, and always give credit to the person's video you downloaded. I copy the names and put them in a Google Doc. Start editing the videos and keeping the cuts quick. Add captions and music, and bam, you have a viral video. Head over to ambsdrlife.com right now and join our community like Creativity Chronicles and learn step-by-step how to make passive income that all connects from your blog, videos, and social media, so you have multiple streams of income, all connected and pouring money in while you sleep. If you want to fire your boss, this is the program that has all the tools, teaching, and no upsells. I have no ownership in the company. I have been burned in the past and want to help others with the program that actually works. There is more secret sauce to making your videos go viral, which you will learn step by step when you go to ambsdrlife.com. Spots are limited. If you want to change your life, this is the path I took.